Hello and welcome to the House of Gems channel. This is our 7th video of our 101 series, and today we will talk about crimp covers and how to use them. This video will go over the different types of crimp covers and how they are used. If you ever wondered what crimp covers are and how they are used, this video is for you. If you do not know how to use crimp beads, please refer to our previous video. We will provide a link in the description below. Today we will be talking about crimp covers. Crimp covers are a cover that is used to cover up a crimp to provide a more professional look to your jewelry. When closed properly, the cover resembles a bead. Crimp covers come in various sizes and colors, from base metal covers to plated or gold filled to match any type of jewelry. Now, to use these, add and secure a crimp bead as needed and pick up a crimp cover gently with a pair of flat nose pliers. Place the crimp wire into the cover and squeeze close the pliers slowly until it is shut entirely. Keep in mind that the crimp cover may try to close slanted. A little manipulating with a plier should make things right. Here is another demonstration so you can see how to cover a crimp using a crimp cover. Add a crimp to your wire. Gently hold the crimp cover in your pliers. Slide the crimp wire into the slit of the crimp cover and squeeze the pliers slowly to close it up. If your crimp cover does not seal perfectly, use the pliers to fix it into shape. Is your crimp cover not fully covering your crimp? You may need to size up. Generally speaking, you will want the crimp cover to be at least a millimeter bigger than the crimp. And here's a bonus tip. Crimp covers do not necessarily need to go over a crimp. You can use them to hide knots in elastic or threaded jewelry. And there you have it, a way to make your jewelry look more professional. Crimp covers are a great way to seamlessly finish your jewelry. Have any questions for us or a specific request? Leave a comment down below. Next week we will discuss end caps and bead tips and how they are used. Thank you for watching. We will see you next week.